Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your Twitch account to your PS4. So let's start the video. So for this all you need is your PS4 and a mobile or a laptop, because you're going to connect your Twitch account to your PS4, but Twitch actually requires you to type an activation code which they send to your Twitch account. So in order to access your Twitch account, to get the activation code, you're going to need a mobile device or laptop. You're just going to open it, cross check the code and enter it in your account, and then you can successfully log in to your Twitch account on the PS4. That's it. I'm going to show you in the video as well, so you don't have to worry about the process, but you have to make sure that you have a device in which you have your Twitch account logged in. Anyways, let's move towards the PS4. Here I have logged into my PS4. So in order to connect your PSN account to your Twitch account, it's very simple. All you have to do is to go up on the second last, you will have settings. You're going to press on X to open settings. Here you will see account management. You're going to open it, and here you will see link with other services. You're going to press on it. So here it will show you Twitch and other services like YouTube as well, so you can connect it with YouTube, Twitch or any other service that is available. So let it just open. Here you can see you can connect with these different services. I have showed in my previous video how you can connect your PlayStation account to YouTube so that you can upload your gameplay on YouTube as well. If you haven't watched that video, I will put that video's card above as well as its link in the description as well, so you can go and check out that as well. Anyways, here we have Twitch. We are going to press on X to select it, and now we are just simply going to sign in. We are going to press on sign in. So now first of all you need to, as I told you before, you need to have a PC or a mobile phone in order to verify your account. So here on the first option it says head to http://twitchtv./activate on a mobile device or computer, or simply scan the QR code and follow the instructions, or you can enter the code below on your mobile device or computer. You will be directed to the next page on your PS4. So you can use either of the methods. Either you can scan the QR code or you can type this code on your Twitch account as well. So let me just open my laptop and let me just type the code. So here is the browser on my PC. So I'm simply going to type the URL here, twitchtv/activate. As you can see, you're going to press on it. You're going to press on the first link where it says www.twitchtv.tv and activate. You're going to press on this one, and I have already logged into my Twitch account, so I'm simply going to type the code here that I see on the PS4. I'm going to press on activate. So first of all you're going to read this, and then you're going to press on authorize. So now here you can see PlayStation is connected, and now you can see on the PS4 as well at the same time. Your account is now linked to Twitch. You're going to press on OK, or you can log out. Anyways, OK it is. So now you have successfully logged in to your Twitch account using your PlayStation 4. So guys, this is how you can do it. Now you can simply broadcast your gameplay videos to your Twitch account, and that's it. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so, because I made some videos regarding like this in the previous as well, and I will try to make videos like this in the future as well. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.